want to try something out here brand new to me. This is called Sweet Leaf Green Tea. It's organic. It says organic right there, so that must mean it's organic. And it's supposed to taste like milk and honey. Now, before I go off and drink this, I want to let you know that I'm a country boy and I really don't believe in green tea. But it's supposed to be healthy for you, and some guy just gave it to me here a couple weeks ago, and I've been sitting up. So I got it cold, and I'm fixing to drink it right here in front of you. Let's see if I like this. Tastes like toothpaste. Oh my gosh, that tastes horrible. Ugh. Cheyenne last week, got there Friday. Okay, I had a Saturday night delivery. They refused one pallet because it wasn't theirs, and I didn't get rid of that pallet until Tuesday because of the July 4th holiday. I got rid of it, actually, I got rid of it on Wednesday morning. I found a place to take it on Tuesday, but I couldn't get it there until Wednesday, just an hour south of Cheyenne. And then Wednesday, yesterday night, I finally got loaded up. So I spent Friday all the way to Wednesday in that whole Cheyenne, between Cheyenne and Denver area. Awesome, right? Don't get a dime for any of that. I am in Olathe, Kansas, one of our big customers here, picking up a load. That's right, a load, because that's what we do, we pick up loads. And we'll take it to Temple, Texas. That's in Texas, a town called Temple. And I'm going to get this trailer unloaded there and go home. What do y'all think about that? Passing that Schneider driver back there kind of reminded me of a YouTuber right there called Diesel Lucy. Is that his name? Y'all check him out on YouTube, and I'll tell you the reason why. And I'm blurry again, aren't I? Am I blurry, or am I drunk, or you're drunk, or the camera's drunk, someone's drunk? Y'all check out Diesel Lucy, alright? If y'all want a good laugh, he's a Schneider driver. I don't know what this guy's deal is with elevators, but he's probably got 1,000 videos of him riding on elevators, up and down, up and down. what kind of life you gotta have to film videos of elevators? That's just funny to me. And he's a Schneider driver, and he's got some guys that are people who sit there on his comments, give him a hard time. He kind of puts himself in that. I was watching one of his videos, and he was actually throwing pallets out. Okay, throwing pallets out of his trailer back into, I guess it was at a truck stop. You know how people just throw their trash out there? And he was filming himself throwing out pallets. I mean, what kind of loser you got to be to sit there and film yourself do some illegal dumping? My word. Go check out Diesel Ducey, one word. Diesel, however you spell Diesel, and Ducey, D-U-C-Y. And I don't know, he'll probably make you feel better about yourself. Thanks for watching, everybody. Everyone check me out on Facebook, facebook.com/KE5WDP, YouTube, subscribe. If you like videos like this one, I'm real, no skits, no recruiting or anything like that. I'm just keeping it real. KE5WDP on YouTube. Got any questions, give me a holler. Through Facebook, YouTube, whatever. And I'm going to deliver this load tomorrow, but for now, I'm going to bed at the house. 73, thanks for watching.
Barbecue your ass in molasses!